Hello children, good morning. How are you all? I am Bansri ma'am and today in numeracy space I am going to teach you a new pre-number concept that is long and short. But kids, before we learn about long and short, we will quickly revise some pre-number concepts that you have learned in previous online sessions.
First, you learned about wet and dry. Here you can see two girls. This girl is wet and this girl is dry. Wet and dry. Then you learned about full and empty. Here you can see two boxes. This box is full and this box is empty. Then you learnt about more and less. Here in this picture you can see two clowns with balloons. This clown has more balloons and this clown has less balloons. Today we will learn about long and short.
Kids, now we will understand the meaning of long and short. While we compare the length of two objects, if the length of one object is more than the other object, then we can say that the object is long. And if the length of one object is less than the other object, then we can say that the object is short. Now I have two pencils. One is blue and one is red. Now let's compare the length of these two pencils. See, you can see the length of red pencil is less than blue pencil. So we can say that red pencil is short and the length of blue pencil is more than red pencil. So we can say that blue pencil is long. Long, short. Now we will learn this concept from our workbook page.
This is our workbook page. Now let us understand the concept of long and short from this page. Here you can see one boy and one girl. Boy has short hair and girl has long hair. Here you can see two different tags. This is a long tag and this is a short tag. Now you can see two benches. This is a short bench and this is a long bench.
Now we will learn this concept with some more examples.
Here you can see two boxes. This box is long and this box is short. Long, short. Now you can see two sketch pens. This sketch pen is long and this sketch pen is short. Long, short. Now you can see two crayons. This is a long crayon and this is a short crayon. Long, short. Now you can see two scales. This scale is long and this scale is short. Long, short. Now you can see two chalks. Blue chalk is long and yellow chalk is short. Long, short.
Kids, now I am giving you a worksheet for your practice work.
In this worksheet, you have to tick the box which have short object.
Now let's see what is there in the first picture. In the first picture, you can see two pencils. Now tell me which pencil is short? Yes, the first pencil is short. So we will put a tick mark in the box which has short pencil. In the next picture, you can see two girls. One girl has long hair and other girl has short hair. Now tell me where we will put a tick mark? Yes, we will put a tick mark where the girl is having short hair. Kids, like this you can complete your worksheet. I hope you understood this concept with these examples and you will try to do this worksheet by yourself. Okay, kids, tomorrow we will meet again and revise this concept with some more examples. Till then, bye bye. Take care.